In April of last year, a driver in a Mercedes-Benz honked and chased down a taxi on a two-way 8-lane road, then cut off the taxi and suddenly stopped. Then, for no apparent reason, he sprinted towards the taxi driver and let out a flurry of cuss words. The driver claimed that the taxi cut him off before then. In the back of the taxi, there was a woman with her two sons, aged 6 and 7. The woman said, "The other driver cursed at the taxi driver, who was around his father's age, for about 5 minutes. The driver said, 'I'm sorry.' She said, 'I asked him to stop because there were children in the back, but he kept shouting and cursing, saying he had a child.' She couldn't even get out of the car because it was in the middle of a two-way 8-lane road. The mother tried to minimize the exposure to the profanity by covering her children's ears. The shouting and swearing stopped when a tow truck arrived and he drove away. The day after the incident, the woman posted a video of the situation on an online community site and complained of the psychological damage. After they returned home, the younger child suffered from nightmares. When the older child played with his friends, he imitated the perpetrator's way of talking." The prosecution, which investigated the case, requested a summary order for the fines of the Mercedes-Benz driver by applying the child welfare law and the additional punishment law on specific crimes. But the court considered the matter serious and referred it to a formal trial. The court judged the Mercedes-Benz driver intimidated the taxi driver, disrupted the safety of road traffic, and damaged the mental health and emotional development of the affected children. The Mercedes-Benz driver was fined 3 million won and ordered to complete a 40-hour child abuse treatment program. The driver had previously been sentenced to prison for gambling. However, we considered the fact that he admitted his crime and showed remorse, and that he has no criminal history of that kind of crime. The judge explained his reasoning for the sentence. The children's mother said, "I hope this incident will serve as a reminder to be careful of verbal abuse in front of children." The woman's attorney explained, "The ruling suggests that not only direct verbal abuse against children, but also indirect verbal abuse in places where children are within earshot can be child abuse."
여러분의 구독과 좋아요는 제가 영상을 제작하는데 정말 큰 힘이 됩니다.